think of this one that we're going to do next as a request from Knox, okay? So this one goes out to Knox today. It's Heart and Soul. And I'm going to play it first and then we'll take it apart a little bit. The simplest version, really, okay? It can get very fancy and it's usually done as a duet, which means there would be two different players playing at the same time. The left hand and the right, so forth, right? So let's go ahead and do the right hand now really quickly. You're going to have your third finger, middle finger over middle C. Okay, so find that position, find that placement. And we go C, 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 holding. Then C, B, A, B, C, D. Lift and put your third finger now on E, which is right above the two black keys. We're going to do the same idea. The phrase is going to repeat itself here, but it's going to sound higher. E, 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 holding. E, D, C, D, E, F. Notice how that was the same, but higher, okay? Now, you're going to go to your fifth finger, G. Pinky on G. Thumb back to C. Then lift your hand and bring it up to A. Your pinky's now on A, if you can see that. And then we're going to come down. Okay? Let's do that again. So coming down from A, G, F, E, D, E, kind of holding. And then we come down with our hand. F with fourth finger would be good. F, E, D, C, crossover with your pointer and come back to C. All right, that's the whole song. Let's do this one more time in slow motion, okay? And I will call out letters. Find your two black keys in your middle C with your third finger. C, C, C. C, B, A, B, C, D. Hand movement to E. Third finger on E. E, E, E. E, D, C, D, E, F. G, pinky. And thumb C. Now lift and go up to A, G, F, E, D, E. Lift again, fourth finger, dropping one key down, F, E, D, C, crossover, B, C. And there you have it, that's Heart and Soul. And I think that's a long enough video for that. Hopefully you can figure it out, give it a try.